What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. And today's video gonna be actually short because let's get right into it. What do you see wrong here, or what do you see I'm replacing? It's very obvious, right? So my trunk, here's the little backstory. When I put the wing on and it's carbon fiber, obviously before everybody knew, I did not have the wing on and everything. The hatch opens, right? It opens up, but since I put the wing on the original struts, it doesn't open on the original struts. So I had to get a new struts, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace them. It literally took me like 5 minutes on this side, maybe less. And I'm going to show you guys, I already did this side. That's why hint it's open without me having my hand to support it or having my chair in the back between the glass and the bottom of the trunk to hold it open. So pretty simple. I already did one side. I'm going to show you guys the other side. And the part I got, it's right here actually. Let me show you guys really quick. This one right here, lifts, supports, depot.com. Not sponsored or anything, just on Amazon. What was it, like 20? I got a free shipping on it too, because it was like $25 for both. Anything over $25 plus on Amazon, you get free shipping. I'm like, cool. Let's see if this works, because I did not think it was gonna work. But again, the wing is not that heavy. It's carbon fiber. So now I don't have to really hold it on anything. It solved the problem. Because when I dropped it off, so I had it on, and I had to always push it, or I have always somebody holds it so I can take my chair. I had to somebody holds it so I can take the top off and on and put it. I couldn't do it myself because you have to hold it by somebody or it's just gonna drop. So now it's fine, it's good to go, problem solved. Very easy to change these. I thought actually we will need to open the speaker. I did not have to open anything. Really simple. And I'll show you guys how to do it, because when I dropped it off to get, after I had it on for about a month or just under a month, I dropped it off to get polished and paint corrected. Then after I was off the car, I'm like, let me test this. So I opened the trunk and it opens back again once the wing is not on the original struts. But again, the original struts, it's since 2001. They don't really go bad. So on the, at least the back, maybe the front ones, I think they're known to go bad on the hood, but the back ones are fine. So that's another new item. I got a lot of new parts in it. Like I got, this is a brand new, this is a brand new, just because, this was yellowed out when I got it, and I don't like it to make under the hood looks bad. So this is brand new yellow, white. When my clutch master cylinder needed to replace it, that's brand new. All the fluids here are brand new. Battery, brand new battery. Just had a fresh oil change. Brand new wipers. A lot of brand new parts on it. Brand new tires. They're only like 1 year old. So now brand new struts. There's a lot of brand new parts on this car. And anything just needs replacing on attention, I replace it right away with a brand new part. Obviously the fresh wrap. These are brand new too as well. So let's get to it, and I'll show you guys how it's done. Give me 1 second. Anyway, the cooler is doing an awesome job cooling me off here in the garage. This is awesome. Alright, you guys, so we're on this side, and I'm just gonna go ahead. You're gonna go ahead. It's top and bottom, and it's the same thing on the top, the same thing on the bottom. So there is this little, you're gonna slide this, you're just gonna press here, slide it out. Then, you know what? The bottom is the same thing too as well. I don't know how good I'm gonna get that, but if you see this here, it's the same exact thing. Let me get a flathead screwdriver, and you guys. Alright, you guys, let me zoom you guys in. You're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and you're just gonna go ahead and put your flathead screwdriver behind this, and just give it a little push. There we go, from the side. So you're gonna pull on this. You're gonna pull on this right here, and you're gonna just give it a little hit right here, and this should slide off. Now the bottom is the same exact thing, but you're gonna have to, like, it's a little finicky, because let me show you. So you're gonna have to get your hands, you're gonna have to get your hands in there and just do it. I don't know if I can film it, to be honest. Yep, I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. I slid it in and I got the magnet clip, not the magnet, just the clip around it. I put the flathead screwdriver, and then just gonna go ahead and take it out slowly. Flathead screwdriver. See, that's what I put it right here. So slowly take. Oh, there you go, and it comes off like this. And don't forget to take this sensor out. So we're gonna get a new one right here. Bam. Okay, so the same thing. This thing is gonna slide right here. That's for the, I believe that's for the, don't lose it, for the rear window. This right here, this is gonna slide in this one. It's the same thing as when you took it off. The same, just in reverse. Okay. Alright, you guys, so you're gonna get this part right here, you're gonna turn it, then turn pretty much this way. So you're gonna get this part right here, slide it on this part here, slide it, and you're just gonna go ahead and let me get the camera, then lift up the trunk, and you're just gonna get that in here. Let me get this, lift up the trunk more, then it's just gonna pop. Oh. There we go. And you're all done. Simple as that. It literally takes like 10 minutes. And I did not even know what I was doing, and I did not even replace them before. That's it. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna close it up here. See? Close it up. Then I'm gonna open it. See, I'm gonna open it up. You're gonna go like this. Bam, it opened up. No hands, no nothing. Close it down halfway. Even it opened up by itself. Brand new shocks, and we're good to go. Well, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification so you know when I post a new video, and hit that thumbs up button for me. That helps my channel, helps the video, and other than that, I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.